They were forced to flee, not for adventure, not for ambition, but for survival. Across the dusty roads and silent nights, families walked into unknown, carrying only what war did not take from them: hope. On June 20, 2025, the world came together to mark the World Refugee Day, a day to honor the strength, courage, and dreams of the displaced. In the heart of Rhino Camp refugee settlement, CIC Uganda stood as a symbol of strength, a place where a voice rose, ideas sparked, and hope was reborn.
First and foremost, I want to say thank you very much, CIC, for bringing the day to be celebrated within the village.
The theme was clear and powerful: repair, reconnect, rethink possibilities. And the message came to life in every corner of CIC. At the Repair Café, faulty gadgets were restored by young, determined hands. Radios, lights, phones, laptops, all carefully brought back to life.
Jondana munaja manana de matike na naji kana kukunda pot because ti kodo kubebena na baekega kukunda na pons na kinede bo Bruce bay na kukundi ona tikida iete karanga kutinero kuna munaja mai ngara kindana karanga matike ndai dog ba murta na kugebe ke ibai na nyelo de bengala na kisebo na ba ngara kindana bebi wala pa ko wala ka no atambiye na sende na sende kine rumbe na ari
na de na diongo pare yani ko ngana kan na tapoko na na ngode kuko do bae ata bagandi to da kuko le atin nang tingo ko jeni mata ko na ile na de ko do galaje kana la de arua ama bailo be na la gaba ma ko titi na de na ko do kala sanganya kinda ama na ko do de makana ona na nena lati ndangunu iye te tuma pa pare kanis kuna galebe akute di me dotana ona atinade nena tilepe ko mobe yongo nyona ngwana na ko do tikinda talo tilepe manau tikita ikongoro nyero kuna ko kama.
My name is Jonathan Aku. I was trained by CIC. Actually, I'm in primary 6. Okay, I managed to repair those gadgets like inverters, phones, lights, and
so this my speaker was one thing that gives me joy because I love listening to music and FM as well. That's where I get information from. So when it got spoiled, it got me worried because here in the camp things are really hard because things are expensive. Like the spares for this radio, it's really very expensive. So the repair cafe really helped me a lot because I brought my speaker here and it was worked on and it is now repaired. One thing that I'm happy about it is that my speaker is repaired, so I can go back to my normal me because I was much worried, so it got me worried and I was stressed because what gives me joy has now been taken away. So I am happy that it has been worked on and it's repaired. But due to the overwhelming number of gadgets, so it took the technicians a number of days, like 2 to 3 days, for them to work on my woofer because there were very many gadgets. People are coming with different things, others with phones, but mine, to be specific, it was a speaker. So it is different from what others have. So I gave them a little time for them to work on my woofer because
at the center of the performance was a rising force for unity. Echoes of Rhino media team, a young, bold and passionate. These storytellers used the stage to shine a light on the struggles, dreams and the resilience of their community. The drama, they gave a voice to the silence. turned pain into power and reminded the world that refugee youths are not waiting for change, they are creating it.
When we are coming together to make us to be in a harmonization because they are the host, and when we come and dance together, culture and dancing with the heritage, it shows us the young generation who are still they know about our culture. They may learn from the songs and they may say, really, I'm from this land, I'm from this tribe, whether in or Kambwa.
And then the stage welcomed the Pojulu cultural dancers. With grace and pride, they danced barefoot on sacred ground, carrying the songs of ancestors. Their steps spoke of identity. Their drums echoed resilience. In the moment, culture became resistance and tradition became power. This day at CIC was more than celebration. It was reclaiming, a reclaiming of purpose, of pride, of possibility. Because in every story shared, every item repaired, and every song performed, there was a reminder that refugees are not defined by what they have lost, but by how they continued to rise.